Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we cover a wide range of topics related to finance and insurance. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of insurance and explore the different types of insurance available to you. Before starting the videos, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then quickly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you get the informative videos first. Let's begin. Insurance is an essential part of managing risk in our lives. It provides protection against unforeseen events that can cause significant financial harm. Having insurance can give us peace of mind, knowing that we are covered in case of an emergency. There are many types of insurance available, each designed to cover specific risks. In this video, we will cover the most common types of insurance, including health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, travel insurance, pet insurance, liability insurance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Health insurance. Health insurance is a type of insurance that covers medical expenses. It can be purchased by individuals, families, or through an employer. Health insurance can help you pay for doctor visits, prescription drugs, hospital stays, and other medical expenses. There are different types of health insurance plans, including Health Maintenance Organization, HMO. This type of plan requires you to choose a primary care physician, PCP, who will be responsible for coordinating your healthcare. You will need a referral from your PCP to see a specialist, preferred provider organization, PPO. This type of plan allows you to see any healthcare provider within the network without referral. You will pay less if you choose a provider within the network. Point of service, POS. This type of plan is a combination of HMO and PPO. You will need a referral to see a specialist, but you can choose to see a provider outside of the network for an additional cost. High deductible health plan, HDHP. This type of plan has a high deductible and is paired with a health savings account, HSA. You can use the HSA to pay for medical expenses, and contributions to the HSA are tax deductible. It is important to choose a health insurance plan that fits your needs and budget. You should consider factors such as deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket maximums when selecting a plan. Life insurance. Life insurance is a type of insurance that provides financial protection to your loved ones in case of your unexpected death. It can help cover funeral expenses, pay off debts, and provide financial support to your family. There are two main types of life insurance. Term life insurance. This type of insurance provides coverage for a specific period, usually between 10 and 30 years. It is less expensive than permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance. This type of insurance provides coverage for your entire life. It is more expensive than term life insurance but has a cash value that can be borrowed against. When choosing a life insurance policy, you should consider factors such as the amount of coverage you need, the length of the policy, and the cost of the policy. Auto insurance. Auto insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for damages and injuries caused by a car accident. It is required by law in most states. There are different types of auto insurance coverage, including liability coverage. This type of coverage pays for damages and injuries you cause to others in an accident. Collision coverage. This type of coverage pays for damages to your own car in an accident. Comprehensive coverage. This type of coverage pays for damages to your car caused by something other than a collision, such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Personal injury protection, PIP. This type of coverage pays for medical expenses and lost wages for you and your passengers in case of an accident, regardless of who is at fault. When choosing auto insurance coverage, you should consider factors such as the type of vehicle you have, your driving history, and the cost of the policy. Homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for damages and losses to your home and personal property. It is required by most mortgage lenders. Homeowners insurance typically includes coverage for dwelling. This coverage pays for damages to the physical structure of your home, including walls, roof, and foundation. Personal property. This coverage pays for damages or losses to your personal belongings, such as furniture, electronics, and clothing. Liability. This coverage pays for damages or injuries you cause to others on your property. Additional living expenses. This coverage pays for temporary living expenses if you cannot live in your home due to damages from a covered event. When choosing homeowners insurance, you should consider factors such as the value of your home and personal property, the deductible, and the cost of the policy. Renters insurance. Renters insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for damages and losses to your personal property in a rental property. It also includes liability coverage for damages or injuries you cause to others while renting. Renters insurance typically includes coverage for personal property. This coverage pays for damages or losses to your personal belongings, such as furniture, electronics, and clothing. Liability. This coverage pays for damages or injuries you cause to others while renting. Additional living expenses. This coverage pays for temporary living expenses if you cannot live in your rental property due to damages from a covered event. When choosing renter's insurance, you should consider factors such as the value of your personal property, the deductible, and the cost of the policy. Disability insurance. Disability insurance is a type of insurance that provides income replacement if you become disabled and are unable to work. It can help you pay for your living expenses and medical bills while you are unable to work. There are two main types of disability insurance. Short-term disability insurance. This type of insurance provides income replacement for a short period, usually up to 6 months. Long-term disability insurance. This type of insurance provides income replacement for a longer period, usually up to several years or until retirement age. When choosing disability insurance, you should consider factors such as your income, your occupation, and the cost of the policy. Long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for long-term care services, such as nursing home care or in-home care, if you are unable to care for yourself due to a chronic illness or disability. Long-term care insurance typically covers nursing home care. This coverage pays for care in a nursing home facility. Assisted living care. This coverage pays for care in an assisted living facility. In-home care. This coverage pays for care provided in your home. When choosing long-term care insurance, you should consider factors such as your age, your health, and the cost of the policy. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for unexpected events that can occur while traveling, such as trip cancellation, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Travel insurance typically includes coverage for trip cancellation. This coverage pays for non-refundable travel expenses if your trip is canceled due to unforeseen circumstances, such as illness, death in the family, or a natural disaster. Medical emergencies. This coverage pays for medical expenses if you become sick or injured while traveling. Evacuation and repatriation. This coverage pays for emergency medical evacuation or repatriation if you need to be transported to a hospital or your home country for medical treatment. Lost or stolen luggage. This coverage pays for the replacement or reimbursement of lost or stolen luggage. When choosing travel insurance, you should consider factors such as the length and cost of your trip, the activities you will be participating in, and the cost of the policy. Pet insurance. Pet insurance is a type of insurance that provides coverage for veterinary expenses if your pet becomes sick or injured. Pet insurance typically includes coverage for veterinary expenses. This coverage pays for medical expenses related to your pet's illness or injury, accident, and injury. This coverage pays for medical expenses related to accidents or injuries your pet may suffer. Wellness care. This coverage pays for routine veterinary care, such as vaccinations and checkups. When choosing pet insurance, you should consider factors such as your pet's age and breed, any pre-existing conditions, and the cost of the policy. Life insurance. Life insurance is a type of insurance that provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your death. It can help cover expenses such as funeral costs, outstanding debts, and living expenses. There are two main types of life insurance. Term life insurance. This type of insurance provides coverage for a specific period, usually 10, 20, or 30 years. Permanent life insurance. This type of insurance provides coverage for the remainder of your life and includes a savings component. When choosing life insurance, you should consider factors such as your age, health, and financial needs, as well as the cost of the policy. In conclusion, there are many types of insurance that can provide financial protection for unexpected events in life. It is important to carefully consider your insurance needs and shop around for the best coverage and rates. Auto insurance is required by law in most states and provides coverage for damages and injuries related to car accidents. Homeowners insurance is required by most mortgage lenders and provides coverage for damages and losses to your home and personal property. Renter's insurance provides coverage for damages and losses to your personal property in a rental property and includes liability coverage. Disability insurance provides income replacement if you become disabled and are unable to work. Long-term care insurance provides coverage for long-term care services if you are unable to care for yourself due to a chronic illness or disability. Travel insurance provides coverage for unexpected events that can occur while traveling, such as trip cancellation, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Pet insurance provides coverage for veterinary expenses if your pet becomes sick or injured. Life insurance provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your death. By understanding your insurance options and selecting the right coverage for your needs, you can have peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones are financially protected. While it's important to have insurance to protect yourself financially, It's also important to understand the limitations of insurance policies. For example, most insurance policies have limits on the amount they will pay out for certain types of claims or losses. It's important to review your policy carefully to understand these limits and ensure that you have adequate coverage. Finally, it's important to review your insurance coverage periodically to ensure that it still meets your needs. Your insurance needs may change over time, such as if you buy a new car or move to a new home. By reviewing your coverage regularly, you can ensure that you have the right amount and type of coverage to protect yourself financially in the event of unexpected events. In summary, insurance is a critical component of financial planning and can help protect you from unexpected events that could cause financial hardship. There are many types of insurance policies available, each with their own benefits and limitations. By understanding your insurance options, carefully reviewing your policy, and selecting the right coverage for your needs, you can have peace of mind knowing that you and your loved ones are financially protected. Thank you for watching this video on the types of insurance. We hope that you found this information helpful in understanding the different types of insurance coverage that are available and how they can protect you financially. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on personal finance and financial planning. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you in the future.